But you are listening to contentless ambassador. Then they cry hallelujah joy. Yes. Then deserve for cry. Sarah Leonian. I'm glad you went up into Sanot today. I'm glad you bring ambassador when not get content. When are people the content it they use for grow. I'm glad you bang and I'm glad you rest. So I go drink anything for herself. Me this time I be don't block her in all platform. All platform. We gonna create the content. You go put on a platform. In they make money, we not they make money. Well, I'm glad it bang. And I'm glad it bets. Let me see now how much ambassador you be. Pull your content. When are you they do not of people the content. Ambassador when not sabi speak English. Agladi bang, agladi bets, and agladi bara. Agladi, yes. They are lucky 200 and almost 1,000 page. Agladi. You don't get no fucking content. But me not sweet lady. Mama yesterday said the only one taking make her extra, juvenate. Yes. Today me I lash in a purple and yellow. Now me get the game. Yes. Agladi. Agladi bang. And Agladi bets. 240,000 followers. All other people in content. If you buy like get witch. If you buy like get witch, you go put your content. You don't get 1,000 followers. As the cutter put on the page, 50,000. Then when you tell them credit me, they don't go ever do them. Then they can't watch you program. And I'm glad that when they show you that say una all. When they put people in content, when I don't credit them, una pay them for godong. Glad it bang. And I'm glad it bets. This not a babu walk on kids. When you are a content creator, do your content. Yes. Do your content. See, if your uncle not enjoy yourself, go ask question. They enjoy being, they enjoy great. If you not enjoy yourself, right now I'm flexible. I'm easy to handle. Yeah, but I'm glad you bang. Me on page, I not be get 50,000. But we own content. Then they follow other people them. Then they get money. Then we went at the content creator. Money self will not they get. One day Facebook not pay me $1,000 each. But out of we own content, people Facebook they pay them thousand. And they don't ever credit me. But if I don't glad yourself, because look at me, I've been on block on all my pages. Even the one where it makes sense now, here something woman, I don't block them. Yes. Because now when you give them access, I block her all side. But fans are thank you. Because I don't report thank you. When they block your ass, let you use your own talents now. Say about what you say. No, Baba, I don't monopause. I'll tell you right now. I am 56. I am still a virgin. I have never been touched. I have never been handled. I've only been abused. And sorry. I retract. I am 56. I am still a virgin. I have never been touched. I have only been used and abused. So me your virgin, now virginated virgin. You understand eh? So Belana de Guyana, Right now going up to glory, oh, going up to glory. Going up to glory, oh, going up to glory. Going where the milk and on the floor. It is called the land of Kenya, where flowers go. This is another now. That land of Kenya, where flowers go forever. And I hear the master call me, and I'm not ready for going to my right and enjoy bring the bottle. America told for that matter. This is don't lock me, but now. The enjoyment so glory in the grace. Right now, the flexibility are there. But anyway, don't can be feel my goodness. In that they be picking their working, but especially you say, hey, look why you can't watch up. I remember the bottle yesterday. Then this morning, I remember that. When you watch up, Sarah, you know that bad picking. I will disown you. Because you want to make you mama turn something else. Anyway, according to the testament of the Congosa, I'm glad it bang when they lock Sana in page. I'm glad it bets. And if I'm not glad the Lagos punish you now. That's all go sit down when they work for Basta Pikin. Yes, they take with content them, put on a page, like now they get blessing. I go drink a molly for that. I go check bank for that. KTV Gina so and then I be simple little corner. Then you say I don't mix up a rakalabu. I don't mix up today me but I watch me eyelash more in the eyelashing. Me eyelash the eyelashing. Why the league when they suffer for? Una not hearing the news. Una not hearing the news. Una not hearing the news. Una not hearing the news yet. Say no league when they legally. Why? The eyelashing, the eyelashing. I got the bang when I locking page. Sanono ever get a video na page will get 5,000. Never. All 10 people, especially me own. Now they put my page, it gets million views. And you know that one day, it always in the page, you know they share, you know the comments, but it will cut you if they put on my page. Me I'm glad you, and I will enjoy it. I want to come like a feature you smoke. Don't say you know buy jamba for me. Like put you on my platform. Like call this me picky I want to my this I invite you bring you have another one. I will put paper so I go cherry you today. Can I? Hello.
Are they on style? I know they are travel.
But I like this eyelashing.
If I know Momina for send for me. Oh my God, I love this.
Look the as soon as they send for you.
Oh my
as I mean you.
But I anyway say they send for my small sister Sarah Roberts. But me not say they send for me.
As I mean you are family to you.
I like this eyelash.
I mean Pikin.
I like this eyelash. Oh my God.
It is eyelashing.
Wow. That purple and gold. Oh my God.
It is eyelashing.
It really eyelashing.
But I begin again.
I can't catch up.
That's why I do. Yeah. But I try to catch up.
Who know the catch up? Pini kasha peleki. Ou de give money they eat a back pa eleki.
Me pa
Eleki. Now you de pa eleki. You de ask it.
Yeah, so as tax people lie for Didi. Una never lucky. Don't be sleep and backstab picking.
I didn't buy a lucky because I lucky money they carry so one lawyer. When a lucky money.
Don't be a blessed money I want. They are not anyone where you pull a blessed money.
Thank you, Sarah. Miss you, Sarah. Hey, Sarah, miss you, bo. What's up, baby? You looking
Sarah, jealous you. Sarah, jealous you.
Sarah, now I'm part the picking away.
No.
Fine.
By the way, not for picking, say one of the ladies.
For me, now picking, now me picking.
No, that lady. Look, walk outside. Long respect to picking them.
For
if
me,
we don't put them up, nobody will put them up for we. Now, one of we ladies them, we outstanding contestants them.
Yes,
we can call we ladies them picking the public. What then I call out the cost them? You bastard. But what then the public would they respect them? Will they honor them?
Not drag me. Me and able social media dragging. I beg.
And the dragging, I shall not begin dragging.
I want news that say one drag me. Do I beg me? I beg before all man. I beg.
Baba, what's that money? See the afternoon. Lord, I matches. That was the whole story. Don't reach me. You don't let me understand African boss. They cannot make up with big boss. They are tired. Baba, that one of Virginia. When you go back 5 years ago, Fumi Site, when I was there, Oscar Donareta, behind me, all people back and why you go back and so. After when you get it big, they get it big. Fumi, when we are in Lamina too, they only come up Virginia, go back in. So that is a Jalo. If you see that girl, you will close. Laila, the man must be on. The only people back in man. This is what they get. They get TikTok.
They get me big.
They get TikTok. Beyond this PPP money. All the one back in. Beyond that
Money down there, the
PPP loan money
for play. Money down there, that means
that PPP balance 5 years ago.
Money down there.
Why do you pick his Finda? Finda, she said, Kiki Paddy. When we go back
Casada, I go talk. What you? Not make a talk.
No.
But Casada, you engage all. Left.
No. I still get the
You know me, no. You engage all.
I still get the
You engage all.
I still get the
You know, and give me chance. You own boiler member. You do no. You get the ring on a bar. Now he said, we don't put today so they can't make an answer, no problem. He said that this week check at the wait. That he did a blocking card.
Baba, I said,
you cost him, man.
I said, Baba, these 2-3 days here, the wedding, Maryland, TMV, wake up. Una hot na the channel.
Laugh a bit.
DMV, una hot. Una share. The bargain, the PPP bargain. As if for me, then a freedom. In the end, I say, I don't bargain anymore. I say, after 5 years.
Mr. Fade married this December by God in power.
This is the way they got married.
No, me, if I dey married for real, this I don't talk about one, I dey talk about the whole world they hear. Now you know me God mommy.
No, me I will be free, man. The man is not looking say, all real family don't call them, and this all I want I go call.
That man they not go.
Do that pussy one day that you go call.
That man they go one cancel the wedding, but I go tell her say. They don't know. Anybody taking God mommy married in the shake. Now no shaking.
Mama, my sister, them people go see that preacher.
Because now the imam force they go for the pastor. Who side they tell the married man?
Sarah, you know what happened? You see that particular marriage there? That be Oscar de la Renta marriage. Oscar de la Renta. Lavina tonight be the godmother of that wedding dress today. Yeah. With Fumi the marriage fight them. First of all, Fumi that Creole girl. But you can't make that with Fumi, Jalom, however. Jalom. We also anybody more two all God, they are tired. And then this girl married 5 good years. Then they eat that girl yes. 5 years. That girl there, they get sweat. I swear to God. That girl there, when they left America in London, Botu, go look for Botu in Africa, they get unlucky. The only person with that pregnant custody, as far as I see right now, now Queen Musu. Queen Musu. That's pregnant custody. But all they for now. But hey, all they married.
Because Queen Musu on the internet right away if you mistake.
I am in the legally. Right now, live.
Casada Kitchen, you get new step.
Now, what girl?
The news the way you get, salon news the way you get. Hey, Casada Kitchen. You get new step.
If not lie, una look to look. This is the one I get reserved for me battery. It's still working. Darling, where you're the liquor lies right now. Yeah.
Casada, what's in Ali?
What's in Ali? Police authentic news, so. But you know that news not a lie.
Casada Kitchen get news there.
The news be lying. It's a lie.
You the real content creator, you. That side, nobody know near you on Facebook. That they give you.
Now you master page. I'm glad you well. All time people that content in order share you work. If you don't get content put up, then they say ambassador on the house.
We're not glad you, not glad you also. Now, so you that talking about you don't get what when you don't just say the call.
Shut the fuck up.
I don't like we go see change. You don't get bad at. Who that they know you, they know
you. Know what?
Kiki, sorry. Now for less I no can't talk this so you don't change the game.
I never asked them.
That lie.
First of all, I want to tell you now. Una wedding at this page here.
Now talking the
talking. I want una. I want una. Pick you cost me and they cost you back. Mama, you cost me and they cost you ass back.
Live.
Papa, you cost me and they cost you back. Pastor, you cost me and they cost you back. Politician, you cost me and they cost you back. And when I cost you, any bastard picking, we can tell me, say, hey, you're not for returner. You're not bastard, dog, and they cost you ass back. Me, public disgrace and public correction. If somebody see that they cost me, una not tell us they not cost that woman day. Then when me want cost them, una open a dirty bastard picking out and say this mamia and they block you as na me page because me not to bastard picking like you. Me on policy, pick you cost me and they cost you. Big man, you curse me and they curse you. Pastor, you curse me and they curse you. Yes. Now so me I they do. Yeah? And me on public disgrace, that public correction. What did they sweet me? Some bastard picking, some free ass bottle lombo for si don't they cost me. Then when me reply, some of una bastard picking them, when I only me page una they get peace and joy and happiness. Don't put that mama them pima all. They can't tell me say I don't for reply. Una bastard picking them. And anyone for una. When open a mama them pima all. Send me no for reply. When person cost me and the cost you and block you as on the page. Because me not a bastard picking like you. Yes, that's what I say. Me not a bastard picking like you. Somebody no can cost me. In the page, they are like Kakena kitchen. Why I reply them? You open mama in pima all. They can't tell me say who's kind of big woman this. If you don't use for the costume, mama will kaka you. You're not gonna be comfortable when somebody they cost people like mama. So if you cannot be page, you bring your mama in water. You want to tell me say, I'm not gonna reply to me, mommy. I put you inside. I put you inside, and I have no regrets. And when they do it, they block you on the fucking page. Now you the losses. Because yeah, that's the juice there. No page no there. That the social media where you the juice. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I'm not like the way they lock the bastard picking in page. So you content now. We don't even get 3,000 for 50,000 followers. But all we work. Juliana Jeneba, I don't tell you send your address to you orange money to me. I'm not going to give me money because I mean don't say you're a Kanama. But again, me I get one thing that me life, me word that me bound. Give me a right now, give me your number right now. So you will get your money by this what they call her money. If you just give me a right now, you orange money, like right I don't want it. Yeah? Give me a right now, Juliana. So you will get you small pepe. Because me word and I make me Casada kitchen. Juliana, I don't say you I send you. No. This now val money. Now Juliana get for each I get $50. Chenoba get $50, me say get $50. Well, Monday now they make noise for the back. Then they give me your small. No, now Juliana gets pan on this table. Now Juliana one get pan on this table. No, the color na gold and popular. I don't remember say popular silver. But I make the game. No, I don't when one get one, we only for that bastard kid. If they take with content, they put on in platform. Then ambassador, we don't get fucking content. Ambassador, we don't get content. Don't they use people and content on platform? They make money out of we. Agoladi when I lucky fucking page. Yes, Agoladi. One day Facebook don't pay me $1,000. But out of with content, then they pay them. When I get the game, favor eyes are too for you. You and you know the jacket. You say you know the Kadema and chief. You know $1 million they deal with. Just fuck off, come on here. Yes. And they give me sister Juliana. Now I get each para Chenoba. Now with 3 days para would they share my 50. And if you don't say Juliana be there Usaiba, but we only in a salon. So you go eat Panam. Yes. Now I first ask, he say one to you. So when the money don't reach, he go eat. He owe $50. Let give me orange money, he go receive them. I don't want to give again where I don't say that Canada. But again, me want to be bound. It's not fair. You know, it didn't have me page, it want to be bound. So I get for game. But again, I don't call Chernoba. So I get for give Chernoba 70-50. So we get for Sheba. That is what it is all about love. That I'm money they go they pay me bill. Now fuck off do. Not all that money they pay me bill. But we can share them, you know. So you go get 50, Chernoba will get 50, Misa will get 50. And me, I don't smoke me with Ambassador a cigarette. Molly. All I don't spend already. Babiti Dumbuya, he said, hey, you see teeth. Go there, see, you can send money for me. Go do me teeth. Now the same thing what they talk about. If Sarah Leone and them they support me, like when you carry something, they can write say, hey, you see teeth. Now the same way they can have a page, you they can get joy, you they can laugh, you they can distress. If that the same way when you make say, hey, you see teeth, that the same way you be they can support me. So God, you don't foresee teeth like this. Eh? If that the same way when you say, hey, you see teeth, I know how many times you they depressed that you life, pass you can have a page. You can watch. And again, by the way, I don't use nothing artificial on my tooth. I go show you what it make me teeth brown soap, and I go show you back how they make me own toothpaste. Most of the things I use is natural. Yeah. So if I will show you what they use for clean me teeth, when I eggshell, I go show you that. I don't tell you I'm not in a better house. I will show you so many organic things. Yes, and the smoke. Not only smoke, and they smoke jamba. Not only jamba, and they smoke cigarettes. Not only cigarettes. Fail not to realize the worst of it all. I love coffee. So because of coffee, and the darker the coffee, the better it is. And what did me teeth get for do with waiting in my brain? You so lost. My binti dumbuya. You lost, baby. Let me get the game. When you see you get your data, for can watch me teeth, for telling me teeth self important. You watch for me head to me too. Tell you get the audacity for put your ass inside me mouth. My dear, the teeth is very important. Love you, bye. Yeah, me toothpaste na natural. Yeah, and they use eggshell. I go show you that one day. Me lotion what they use is natural. Everything I do it for myself. I'm the person who don't go to the hospital, just like that. But again, I mean, don't say that. You go see better things. So before you compare, talk about the teeth, share. Thank somebody, then you can learn. And then you can laugh. And then you can distress. For let you burn you data for watch me teeth. For tell you say me teeth. It's very important to you fucking ass. Yes. If the teeth not be important to you fucking ass, you don't go sit down. You waste your fucking data. For can look at me teeth. Hey, leader Watombo. Today na the day where we leader Watombo, they go get in grace and glory. I never go to shopping, you know. But again, I love when I all. But Fatima, don't begin tell me for me Jabana yao. When you want to send me Jabana, you don't be cash up number. Don't try me yao. I don't make me club attitude yao. Don't make me cry. Hey, Fatima, when you want to cash up me Jabana money, you got to give me star. Fatima, you don't know about it. You don't know about it. But I go cheers. I go enjoy me Lily Omoli. I when I watch me, I lash. But I get the game, boo. I get the game. Now I go beat three. Who not go bull? But if you don't like me, I lash chef. I'm not trying to say I get the game. Fatima, na they can't see. When you take a cash up me? Because the one quiz empire. Give me your Bola, take me jamba, me little jamba, I don't shave him. The lily where quiz empire, the king of quiz empire. Send for me, I don't share him. Because love is sharing. That's what love is about. Sharing. Well, I'm not saying that like go and the way they unlock that's a fake ambassador in page. I'm glad it bets. Let pull your content now. But me, I get the game, but I don't tell you that say me that the fashionistic that the country. I don't tell you that. Say that me they play the game. Me eyelash me here, me close. Now me get the game with me here. Why? Now we get the game. Now we get the happiness. But me, I don't understand that you GMO. Look me cash up there and that. I don't mix my a family business. Why they big na international bigger they big? You don't understand it? Look me cash up there. Send up for me. When I put me cash up back. Cause una not understand couple business. I know they can sit down and can call your name 206 267 805 7. La cash up la pina. No can begin can la Gibraltar. You don't get that time they are beg you. No, I don't say don't get me number. I say la cash la pina. Let you know can explanation. Let you know can explanation. Say you mistake. Not try me. Yes, so what do you wanna share? Yes, Mercy Brandbella. I am indeed the rock of Gibraltar, and my color are coordinating, and that is the way of beautifulness. My sister, now we get the game. But I'm glad when they don't lock Sanoy 240,000 page. Who says I don't come? We get 240,000. Wait today, we don't even get on 50,000 hits. Only work with that page that we job. That one that's how we talk English. I'm glad again. We said all reports. But this one when they lock in page, I'm glad it bets. I'm glad again. Sire, thank you. But I give you some today Sunday. When I get feeling that my page, and I don't give me star. And the same thing. When I share. And see when me say, when me look me teeth. Where you? Let look your teeth now. Some of them are miserable like their life. Una life them miserable. For me, any picky you cost me, they cost you back. And end up una bastard picking them. When they go right, big woman, why you for cost that one? Una all maybe ask themselves. But they are like enjoy music. You know what? You know right now, this 2024, I get one me daughter. We get 5 music one for promote. Estaberry, but we don't fit here me. Because this 2024 now woman term. Yes, you Estaberry. If they do, she's a musician, you know. If they pull 5 music, one for I don't dance I don't promote them. But if you to say a big person me, and yes, I get for custom. Una don't say after Dolly Igwe. Hey, Dolly Igwe bad luck family. Mommy, if you necessarily like children, mommy, bobo, the child, I need to look yes. I beg you. Ah, you don't say me a motto no go bondo. If you must go bondo, me you not go bondo. If you necessarily like children, I the child, I not give a fuck. But anyway, Estabey, it put some nice musical, but no, they watch out for slow. Very nice music because DMX ba won't promote the music. 30 days they don't recognize you. Pick away where you mama introduces. We all they go around on great. Well, then I say Sarah Lena, one of the promote. Who don't promote DMX the music? That is Sarah Lena community. Then no one day call me and say thank you, dog. Then una say we not they promote each other. How you go promote? No, Esther and me picking. Esther and me posting. No, like what I tell 2-3 people then. Now you get to call me. Yeah, that woman business, you know, we can promote her. I can. That me posting. But you get to call me, he apologize first. Because if you tell me. During the time when them pass Takadama, they cost me. If you feel to say the one way if you only die esteem, go promote them. I wonder why they cannot promote at it today. They're all also a whole bubble from Alfina to Michael. They're all also to an all bubble, a greedy mongrel. We're not thinking about it all. Then me when they look as the enemy, they need me now. If I tell you how many of them want to they cost me, they call me, say they want to go big sister next year, mommy supports me. But when they look at them, now they all be people say that free Botologo was God. But how we treat Alfina, they all realize even Samuel Samkaba. Now one of them will be if they honor that girl, they say when he go inside the house, that girl looking for support her. Yeah. Nobody got the plan. Say that girl looking for support her. But at the end of the day, it lets them all down. Because when you get selfish somebody, when you get selfish somebody, we only care about himself. A different thing. Hello? Hello? Bye-bye. What now? LXG? Okay. Okay. Oh, well, I will just be online this and the talk about say una na ungrateful people them. I say because if anybody promotes una page, now well, in actual fact, I don't like right now. I'm not even looking at you. And when you say LXG, yeah. And I think to say promote una boku. At least anyway, I appreciate don't listen, my love, listen, my love, listen, my love. Right now, I appreciate you more than always have it don't say. Because let me tell you something about this world. It is not about money. Anobi Sabuna, I promote the music. It's not about money. But so today, now thank you. If beaucoup pass money, so the woman you don't call me, so we'll talk out of God. I mean online right now. But I appreciate you. And I appreciate you. I will give you my number. But we'll talk about God on live, okay? Okay. So that's why they say that they call me so I don't even know. But now wait till they talk like this world. So my to send that money. Now I look at basta picking. When they say the team that Japan money, in team that Japan money, where if you know how much money me make it they make for her. Then some of una basta picking them. When a mama they don't cacao una good. Some of una basta picking them. When a mama they don't cacao una good. Una don't put them out. That money there, it want money. Una no more smoke and work for that one day. Hello? Yes, my love, who is this? Hello? Are they live right now? I'll call you back. Please, are they live right now? You know, so certain people in this world, nothing not good like a thank you. Thank you. You know how we say thank you, they tell you go. But when I look somebody, when we put that in map, they cost me every day. Some of una basta picking them. Not tell us they don't cost over. Una bring a mama they ask them on the page. That mean they block una ask them. And the one way they charge that jamba money. If maybe one make money out of them, and before make enough to spare. Now maybe people they make money out of them. Because what you do, my name is too big. It big. I wish some man may get sense. But when some man, how they fuck with them, man at the same bed and at the same area, so that so they feel to see other people in turn. That's what I see. How they fuck with them, mama, at the same bed, that the same area. Last time, that two things when they make the world very comfortable. I'm sorry and thank you. Two simple words. When I Paku of which Alone I will not get. I am sorry and thank you. Saying sorry does not make you a lesser person. Saying sorry makes you a great person. But now them Paku of una illiterate idiots not understand. I am sorry. And a simple thank you. I get so many people them when they send their audio, where our leader, our Tombo, they send at the inbox, they tell them thank you. Whereas that bastard Pekin, we're not able to tell nobody thank you. Before that open mama, he asked, they cost people them. Then some of una bastard dog them. They support her. Una know how many people them. Our Tombo, don't call. Don't send voicemail to. Tell them simple thank you. That I make any bastard picky when I say mama don't carry a fight. When hey me pick you cost by the cost you back. Not to me kaka you, so me not to you model. If you mama will kaka you, not be you model, not to me for can be you model. So most of una bastard picking them where bastard free act they costly. Una not tell them, let not costly. When we reply them, una open up mama them yataki and call me name and they cost una. I don't give a fuck about una. Yes, that's fancy. It's again, I'm glad the way the locks are not in page. See that anything for that. That's why I think I want to get to get company. And I just bet, and I enjoy and bet. You know, imagine, no, we talk to no more. LXG, they don't defend me for telling me thank you. Una imagine how Saloma wicked and witch again bad that. If that somebody that been call that girl say Casada kitchen the talk about Una. True, if you for call me. And he say that ask Sarah an artist. For me, my number, they're not able to get my number. But some of them, they call me, can't support me music. How Saloma wicked, so I will prosper. Let us be frank. How we will prosper? How we will grow? When we get bad arts, una the build and mama the people on the page for kind distress, but for support me, una no dey support me. For share me work, una no dey share me work. For comment, una no dey comment, but una the build una ask them na the page. Yes. Now almost 500 they watch me right now. How many style get $110? 500 now they watch me. But if now basta picking, why una learn nothing from? Una go see, una go give them star, una go support them, una go elevate them. Una watch them, una 500. Almost of una they give me star. Then the same some of una basta picking them. Where I will reply. Now, you have a good day.